May is Remine Month at the Miami Association of Realtors. Today featuring flood zone risk. When you open and search, you can select from flood zone risk information, delivering you unknown, low to medium, and high flood zone information. What does the flood zone filter work and what does it offer you? Flood zones are geographic areas that FEMA defines according to flood risk levels. Remine's flood zone filters rely on FEMA flood maps to categorize properties into various risk zones. Use the map to obtain the information necessary for you to decide if the properties you're searching for are within such zones. Select something like low or medium or high and apply. And the map will then have the areas or properties selected that you're looking for. Thank you for being a Miami member and for using Remine.